See, being a coastal village and a touristic village, and we get all kind of high-end tourists. It is my job as a panchayat to do something what I can, because dogs are animals, but they love human also. But the issue is they are multiplying without any mother or father or any guardians or any owner. So they are just keep on going and multiplying. So this is something which we need. So that is the reason we don't have a place. What to do? Panchayat, most of the dogs are on the beach over here. Of course, we do have some stray dogs, but that's why we requested the help from the hotel to give us a space where they have the public bathroom. So this area is very much active during the off season also, where all the dogs, when there are no shacks, they all come here and then they look for, people come here on the parking area, just put the food and they run away. And it becomes a mess. They fight and it looks very bad. So that's the reason we are having a dog feeding area. So we have asked under CSR, Averina International Private Limited Hotel, they have supported this event. And the rest we will be borne by the panchayat.
And plus, do you seek any, if some tourist is coming or someone want to donate, so do you will take donation? So who is the right person to contact? Can you tell?
Well, in the panchayat, they can always come in the panchayat. We have one member called Sophia. She is the ex-member, is the VDC member. She's a dog lover also, along with Maggie. So we will work with them, and whatever funding we are getting, we will definitely give them. We bought the dog food. We will buy and we will make sure we will help them so that they are being constantly given support to maintain. Plan immediately is we want about unemployment. There are a lot of especially female who are at home. I'm not talking about youngsters, but they are after getting married. Their families, they need support. So very soon, in coming weeks, we will give them swimming machines. We are giving them swimming machine for ladies from every ward. We got the names already, so that these ladies can, they are electric machine, very latest, so they can start their own business at home. So it will sustain them. So this is one of the other project is we have also, I am thinking of modern bus stands. See, we have a lot of tourists here who are waiting, they don't have proper bus stand. So by January, February, we will be coming with a lot of modern bus stand. So it will look like a beautiful, touristic area. And many things are there which I cannot tell. I just have to see. These are the two things which are immediately planned, and more to come.
I can tell you, I met the Sarpanch during the last collectors meeting he initiated. Actually, he is the one who initiated this dog management in village-wise dog management. And that day I was there, I met him. And following this, he is now in the second step to move forward to take this shelter. And this is a great work. Actually, as you know, dogs are the best companion animals. And we have in Goa a lot of animal lovers. At the same time, due to malmanagement or due to mismanagements or due to misunderstandings, we are not able to handle these dogs, and there are a lot of criticisms. Even though dogs are the best animals, we face the criticism. If you go to Western countries, there is no dogs on the road. The reason is it is well managed. Lot of animal lovers, Europe and everywhere, they all have about 60% of them have dogs. They love animals, they spend huge money on it. But they beautifully manage it because they all have it at home, and they don't, the management, they don't throw any food waste and other things on the road, and they feed it properly. So this type of highest management is practiced in Western countries. But in our conditions, it is very difficult. So to certain level, what we can do is to have this feeding in a proper places, and they let them not breed as it is, like controlling this breeding by doing these sterilizations. And these are some of the initiatives which in the village level we will be able to. We can't eliminate the dogs. The third thing is we have to get them safer, which we are taking up. Mission Rabies is guaranteeing you that all dogs are safer now. There is not a single virus found in these places for the last 7-8 years. So this we can guarantee you. So that is already taken care at a huge cost. So many crores spent on that by Mission Rabies and government of Goa. So that side is taken care. But the other side, like bites and other things, only initiative is all this like Kavalosam Panchayat, every Panchayat should come forward to manage the dogs, house shelters, or sterilize those dogs.